touching on this Shabdan trial coming up. The trial really should have started already. I have not seen much. But because I'm speaking on this squash arrest, I must touch on the fact that Shabdan case is tied to JMan, who is an intricate member of the squash gang. So it was reported in social media, or circulating I should say, that Squash is the one, or someone from the vehicle was the one that actually, what could say, cap, yeah, who pepper up Yaganti JMan. Yaganti. So in someone else from the crew, from the 6th crew, peppering up JMan, it made JMan had to go to the hospital, and that is why JMan ultimately got arrested. So like I said, JMan is the key to Shabdan's trial as far as the triple unaliving. But JMan also have his own problem because he's on a double unaliving in Florida. You can't believe this. You can't write it's like a horror story them man ya account. Shabdan and JMan, between both of them have about 5 quenging unaliving pan them hand. And both of them in a prison, and both of them for witness. Imagine. Then Squash now seems like him going to get bring down by JMan, because it seems like say JMan himself got pepper up by Squash. As these articles on the social medias are circulating, we have to try to make sense of this, people. Shabdan is in a triple quenging trial, fighting to see outside. A lot of people think that Shabdan is going to walk because the main witness in the Shabdan case is right now himself in a jail cell in Florida, as the prosecution's pushing for the inmate to testify. Jamaica's music producer Linval Shab Thompson Jr. and his co-accused J. Clark appeared in the St. James Court last week, ladies and gentlemen, February 19, to commence their triple quenging case. However, the proceedings were centered around the prosecution move to make an application to have one of his witnesses to be present in court via a live stream video. Mirated. You hear me? Now, as per reports, the application is required that the witness to join the proceeding Monday. This news comes after it was revealed in January that the witness in question is located overseas and incarcerated in Florida on a double quenging charge. That is JMan. Imagine this. You have 2 young men that claim to be music producers, and both young men are in jail awaiting trial on multiple quenging, and the Jamaican people will say that the music don't cause the youth them to act out of emotion violently. 2 producers of Jamaican music, and not to mention Miller 9 and other people that commit crime. Listen, we have to come to a conclusion that we the people, the melanated people, Jamaicans and abroad, worldwide, have to look into the mirror and decide if we want better. Because it appears that we continue to shield our criminal entity with excuses. As it's been said that Shabdan and his co-accuser will return back to lockup and the proceedings will continue on Wednesday. The popular music producer is being represented by King's Counsel Tom Tavares Finster and Donahue Martin. On the other hand, his co-accused is being represented by Kadeen Coleman. Shabdan and Clark were arrested and charged with the shooting resulting in the death of 3 persons and injuring multiple others May 25th, 2022 in Rose Heights, St. James. Now, like I said, the party was being kept was for Two Fly, which is JMan's girlfriend. And see it there, Shabdan allegedly were the orchestrator to the demise of Two Fly. Now, me sure say, I just see Muscleman and Ford Lord. JMan nah take this by himself. And of course, the Jamaican prosecutor would like to get JMan's corporation with Shabdan case, but JMan say you take me for bait. Because I know me alone did orchestrate. Yeah, the quanging of Muscleman and Ford Lord. So him turn and look to the Jamaican prosecutor that needs him on the Shabdan case. When me I go get out of this, you think say me no slick? Listen, but what I want to ask you people, do you agree with these people when they say that the music that these producers produce don't cause any kind of violence? Because it appears that we have a pattern here. Matter of fact, we have a program. Yeah, because the music seems to be the program to continue to feed, yeah, the youths them with the ideas of violence. And as it matriculates from the airways to the brain, it becomes a seed of action. Yeah. So, I want the people them to understand, say, these musicians, so-called producers and artists that we promote are one of our downfall. Not the only one. Because from Miller 9 to Shabdan to JMan, 3 producers, all 3 of them on multiple quanging charge. From California to Florida to Jamaica, the music, the culture has lost its roots. I ain't man, I tell you the truth. I ain't man dep on deep roads. Someone there them fi leave a comment and let me know if I'm speaking the truth. Because it appears that the people them that we promote are the ones that are damaging the youth. And Bob Marley tell you, say, yo, tell the children the truth. And I man, I tell you the truth. Say, the people them that we seems to promote and gravitate to are the ones that are dear to harm us. And it seems like we are so coward and lacked in a moral compass that we actually promote our demise. It's a shame. Me ask the people them, say, yo, do, please, open up an eyes. As JMan, yeah, Sheldon is waiting right now because I'm going out touring brothers them. And I, man, I feel it for the parents of these lost souls and seeds. But again, I, man, no sorry. It's not good to see your young brother's life just thrown away willfully. Yeah, enough of them try to act like they did it skillfully. But like I said, karma will never forget your address,